Whether you are crushing it with dropshipping on TikTok, pinning on Pinterest, or driving traffic to your store, the hard truth is that you need high-quality video content to survive. You can run ads if you want, but at the very least, you absolutely need sharp, engaging, short clips to capture organic traction in a crowded marketplace. But these clips have to land, meaning they need a punchy hook in the first 2 seconds, a clear product demo, and a CTA that feels natural instead of like a loud commercial. The problem is that buying professional product videos or hiring a production team gets expensive quickly, and editing everything yourself is a massive time sink. So what do you do when you're just starting out and your ad budget is either tiny or completely non-existent? You enter a smarter, more automated workflow that saves you both money and precious time, while making consistent posting actually achievable. Let's be real about the common routes creators take, like buying pre-made ad clips from specialized services which can cost you $20 or $30 a pop. That is fine, but if you want to split test 3 to 5 variations, you are suddenly hundreds of dollars in the hole before you even launch a single ad campaign. Other people try downloading raw product footage and review clips from various marketplaces, then firing up complex software like Premiere or Final Cut. That works, sure, but it is incredibly slow and requires real technical skills to make the final result look like something people actually want to watch. Free editors can be usable, but they are often clunky and still require you to do all the manual trimming, resizing, and captioning yourself. Tools that pull product assets are helpful for downloading, but they only solve that one part of the puzzle because you still have to edit, format, and schedule everything. Here's a cleaner approach I use now that actually scales. You take the long-form content you already have, like owner uploads or YouTube unboxings, and let AI do the heavy lifting. That is where a tool like Vizard comes in, and it has become my secret weapon for churning out endless short-form content without becoming a full-time editor. A lot of your existing long videos already contain the magic you need, like that one moment someone reacts perfectly or shares a quick tip. Vizard's auto-editing feature finds those micro moments that tend to go viral and then slices them into ready-to-post clips for you instantly. Instead of spending an hour editing one single ad, you get multiple short clips in just a few minutes, each tailored perfectly for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. You can still tweak them, add your own captions, or change the music, but the heavy lifting of trimming and framing is already done for you. Let me walk you through my typical workflow because showing is believing, and this process saves me so much stress. First, you source the footage, whether that is from product reviews, unboxings, or longer ad creatives that you have the full rights to use. The main point is that you do not need to create new, expensive footage from scratch every single time you want to post a short. Second, you upload that long video into the tool and it analyzes everything to propose multiple clip candidates for you to choose from. It automatically detects the interesting moments, suggests the best hooks, and even crops to a vertical format so nothing important gets cut off. Third, you pick your edits, meaning you can accept the AI's picks as is to create quick variations or perform light customization. You can add a short overlay like a call to action, pick trending music, or tweak the captions, which is way faster than rebuilding the whole thing. Fourth, you create variations, which is the biggest win because you can output 5 different versions from the same long video. This lets you A/B test your hooks, text overlays, or music without having to blow through your entire advertising budget. Fifth, you schedule and publish, which is where this workflow really leaves basic editors in the dust because it handles the distribution for you. Set your posting frequency, drop the clips into the calendar, and the tool handles the timing across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. If you're trying to build consistent organic momentum, this automated cadence is an absolute lifesaver for your marketing efforts. Now, I am not saying it is magic because there are always trade-offs and other professional software is still king for total creative control. However, those pro tools have a steep learning curve and cost money, whereas this workflow is about accessibility and speed for growing brands. Compared to just downloading review videos and manually editing, you will save hours of trimming, recentering, captioning, and exporting. Using an editing first tool compresses that whole frustrating process into just a few minutes of actual work. For a practical example, upload a 2-minute unboxing and let the AI pull out 4 solid 15-second clips that show features, reactions, and demos. Add simple captions like save 50% or works like this, and a subtle arrow pointing to where your product link will be in the platform interface. Export them in a vertical format, schedule them out over a week, and you have built a mini campaign without hiring a single editor. Also, the cadence helps with testing because you can generate 15 organically optimized versions and see which one gets actual traction. Then you only allocate ad spend against the proven winners, which significantly reduces waste and speeds up your learning curve. Always make sure the first 2 or 3 seconds of your clip are visually and narratively strong, as that determines if people keep watching. Add captions to every clip, because remember, most folks watch these videos without sound while they are commuting or in public. Use the content calendar to avoid posting the same clip back to back, so the algorithms see fresh, engaging content every single day. Final note on ethics. Always be cautious about using footage you do not own, so get permission or stick to content you are legally licensed to use. If you are bootstrapping a dropshipping page or trying to scale content for a brand, the fastest path is definitely automating that editing pipeline. Vizard is the tool that puts those pieces together. It finds viral moments in long videos, churns out post-ready clips, and helps you actually publish them. Try that workflow, and you will be surprised how quickly your content calendar fills up and how much cheaper your testing becomes. You don't need to be a pro editor or drop a fortune to get short-form videos that convert. Just work smarter, not harder, and let the AI do the repetitive stuff for you.